1.
Hello YouTube, today we'll play some more Roblox. But, what game am I going to play? That's a question. Let's say, no, I'm not gonna do legendary football. I suck at that game. I tried it before. I couldn't do it. I don't know what to do. I don't play football. I don't play football. Let's do natural disasters. Survival. Uh, yeah. I really don't play natural disaster survival that much, but I'm just gonna make a video on it for you guys. So, disaster is it? Okay, this is new. I've never seen that before. I've never seen a volcano. Disaster. Yes. Hi. Straight off the bat. Off. To the edge. Hey, I died. Hey, I gotta put your up and down instead. My guest, Max, Tran, guest, kind, D, yes. Most people have survived. Perfect. And the disaster was volcano. Yeah, I've never seen a disaster like that. Well, no. Bye. Oh my god. I'm sorry if I sniffle a lot because I didn't take any allergy medicine earlier. I guess like third person. Let's see what disaster this is. Flood, I'm going straight up here. Come on. Oh, how big is it? Or how long does it take? Wait, it kind of thing, so I guess. Yeah, you guys, before you ask, yes, you do take fall damage. Oh shoot! Yeah, you do take fall damage, so if you fall all the way down there, you take a lot of damage. So be careful where you're gonna stand. Fall. Ah! You just took a lot of damage. Right. And first, be safe. Oh. Let's just. People are in here. Queen, Maximus, Bird, a lot of name for them. But yeah. How did that guest die? He just walks in front of him. Like, yes, or just freaking. Why? Why do I even bother playing with guests? Guests are stupid. Give me a thumbs up and rate and put a comment below if you think guests are stupid. Can guy, I'm not trying to be racist or anything. Okay, don't go upstairs. Do not go upstairs. Oh yay, I survived my first one. Yay. A lot of them survived as well. Look at all that damage that acid rain did. You guys wearing headphones, I guess. Look, there's one. Right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, guys. Alright. Hate school. I've always hated school, and I always will. Okay, that's if you wonder who this is, Katie is cool. This is Toby's sister. She also plays Roblox. I don't know why she puts her character like this. She's bald. She's great. I don't care what she is. She does whatever she wants. I don't stop her. It's a math class. It's the bathrooms. This is. Oh shit! This is bad. Tsunami. That's gonna wreck the whole school. Get higher ground. Go go go! Come on, guys. I'm gonna get knocked down. Get up here. They went to the roof, some. I feel like there is a. I feel like I could die. I'm not out of the window. There's a man. Oh shoot! Run, 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 my little dude, run! Get up! Ah! Oh, the whole school went down. Oh my god. The whole school went down at one tsunami. Is there more? Is there more, or is that it? There's not more. Is this it? Is this it? Is it over with? Can't get anywhere. Why? I am stuck in school forever. Well, that was the second survival disaster, and I survived it. Oh yeah. Katie, where are you? Katie, right now, you're in a YouTube video, and you're in a YouTube video. Oh my gosh. What do you want, Toby?
This is Katie, not Toby. You're in the shop.
Why are you even in her account anyway?
It might be acid rain, so come in.
It could be a flood, so you might be on top. There's gas rain.
Sure.
Well, people be going up here.
Oh!
Shoot!
Seek warm shelter.
Go, go, go!
Run! Okay, we're
Where
warm.
can we get help? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I'm Gage.
Oh.
Sitting down
I'm gonna die.
at the counter on the left.
Where can we get warm? Is there anywhere to get warm or something?
Nope. This is the only
What? Let's get an idea. No! Okay, outside is bad.
Cars, cars, cars.
We killed us!
Ouch.
Help. I'm stuck.
You're stuck? I got stuck.
I was stuck in that thing. I don't know why. Standing behind this helps.
Help me. I'm outside.
Not stuck on anywhere. Does it help? Sort of.
It's hitting me. Oh, and I just died.
I'm literally a quarter. I don't even know. I died. No, I died.
He's playing
Why do I even?
natural disaster. I can't even see out the windows.
Hey guys, I think that's today's video. I guess. I mean, let me do another video on this game. Just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.